The Skoda Fabia III, produced from 2014 to 2021, features hidden service and test menus designed for diagnostics and calibrations, typically accessed by service personnel. This video demonstrates how to unlock these menus safely. Service mode displays fault codes and software versions for diagnostic purposes. Test mode simulates sensors and actuators to help troubleshoot vehicle issues. These menus are embedded in the infotainment system and engine control unit. They are accessed via the car's CAN bus network, which connects all vehicle systems. Incorrect use can reset adaptations and cause drivability issues. Proceed with caution. For 2014-2018 models, turn the ignition to position 2 with accessories on. Then press and hold the central menu button on the steering wheel for 5 to 10 seconds until a hidden menu appears. On higher trims, you may need to hold additional buttons like Volume plus Seek. Note that this method may not work on all models, especially those after 2019. For Method 2, using an OBD2 tool works on all models and is the recommended approach. Start by locating the OBD2 port under the dashboard. Connect a compatible OBD2 scanner, such as VCDS or OBD11. These tools provide a safe interface to the vehicle's systems. Once connected, use the software to query ECU addresses. For example, Module 17 accesses infotainment diagnostics. This method allows safe data logging without risking system corruption. This OBD2 approach is safer than button sequences, as it prevents system corruption and is required for post-2019 models due to security enhancements. Hidden menus in the Skoda Fabia III are protected by security measures to prevent unauthorized access. These include PIN codes or VIN-based authentication to ensure only qualified technicians can make changes. Default PIN codes are often simple combinations like 0000 or 1234, but these can vary by model and software version. Attempting access without proper authorization can trigger diagnostic trouble codes. One common DTC is control module fault, which indicates an issue with the vehicle's control systems. These codes help identify problems, but can also flag improper menu access. Incorrect use of these menus can reset important adaptations, such as the steering angle sensor calibration. This leads to drivability issues like inaccurate steering feel or warning lights on the dashboard. To avoid these problems, always back up your vehicle's data before attempting any diagnostics. If you're unsure about any procedure, consult a professional mechanic or authorized Skoda dealer. These warnings highlight potential system faults that can result from improper access, emphasizing the importance of caution when working with vehicle diagnostics. Vehicle diagnostics are evolving rapidly. Currently, there's a strong shift toward digital tools, with many VW Group vehicles, including the Fabia III, supporting app-based access through the My Skoda app. The My Skoda app provides limited diagnostic features without requiring physical entry to hidden menus, making troubleshooting more convenient and user-friendly. Looking ahead, physical access to hidden menus may become obsolete, replaced by cloud-based diagnostics that require manufacturer approval. This evolution addresses cybersecurity concerns while providing more integrated diagnostic capabilities. Systems like Diagnostics 4.0 enable remote and cloud-based vehicle diagnostics, offering enhanced security and functionality for modern connected cars. Real-world examples show both benefits and risks of accessing hidden menus on the Skoda Fabia III. In a 2024 YouTube video, a 2017 Fabia III owner used the hidden menu to access ABS test mode, successfully identifying a faulty brake sensor and preventing a potential safety issue. However, the dealer later detected menu access logs, resulting in warranty denial. A 2025 Reddit thread described a 2020 Fabia III user who accessed the service menu, discovering outdated software. An over-the-air update fixed recurring infotainment freezes, but afterward the menu required PIN protection, limiting future access. In a 2023 professional case, a Fabia III owner used VCDS to enter test mode, simulating a failed turbocharger sensor. This confirmed a hardware fault, preventing unnecessary costly replacement and saving repair expenses. These examples highlight that while hidden menus can help diagnose issues, they carry risks. Always consider legal and safety implications, as unauthorized access can void warranties or cause ECU resets. Experts strongly emphasize caution when accessing hidden menus on your Skoda Fabia III. According to automotive specialists, improper access accounts for 15% of ECU-related failures in Volkswagen Group models, including the Fabia. If you are unsure about how to proceed or lack experience with vehicle diagnostics, always seek assistance from a professional mechanic or authorized Skoda service center. Remember that modifying vehicle settings without proper knowledge can void your warranty and potentially create safety hazards. Unauthorized changes may affect critical systems like brakes or airbags. When accessing hidden menus, prioritize using official tools and software provided by Skoda or authorized VW Group dealers. These ensure compatibility, security, and proper functionality without risking your vehicle's systems.